Kiara. Ikaw kagad, ano? So, anong process mo?
Hello po. Actually po yung process ko po is, pinakamatagal po sa akin talaga mag-isip ng concept. Talagang
Concept
like,
first ka?
Yeah. Concept and story. And then after that, since I play the guitar, I start with finding the right chords, the right vibe. Kasi parang feeling ko yun yung magsiset ng mood ng song. If parang yung music, parang mabuo mo na siya. Kahit chorus lang or sa verse. And then after that, melody. Kasi para sa akin, for me, melody yung pinakamahirap. Kasi ang dami ng songs na nagawa. So, ang hirap makagawa ng melody na wala kang katunog. Kasi ilan lang naman yung notes talaga sa music, diba? So, and then last for me is lyrics. I think lyrics for me is the easiest. Kasi parang pag nabuo ko na yung pinaka-structure nung parang backbone niya, like the music and the melody, yung lyrics madali na. And when about, tungkol naman doon sa how I translate my emotion, actually para siyang, sa akin, para siyang acting. It's like, I'm an actress in a certain movie. So, I have 3 things na laging ginagawa when I write songs. First is based on my personal story. And then second is other people's story. And third is my imagination. So, kumbaga, dun papasok yung pagiging parang artista ko dun sa kanta. Like, I need to really imagine or parang, alam mo yung isa puso ko, yung character ko dun sa song. So,